We back. Almost done. This wasn't a big hub, so shit, it's really been like 20, 30 minutes, if that. So 210 and 30 minutes. Yeah, man. In life, man, you just gotta take a risk. You never know what's on that opposite side of the field, or the fence, or wherever you jump to. You never know where you're gonna land. Now I tell you, in 2018 or 2011, when I first moved to where I live at, I ain't never think that I'd be flying a drone or doing any of this type of work. Fast forward to 2018, I got the opportunity where I ended up buying a drone, playing around with it, you know what I'm saying? Just figuring it out, not knowing it was gonna lead me to me networking with one of my good friends, man. From that, it led me to spending like 9 months in California. From that to me traveling all over the world, flying drones, doing inspections. From that to flying back to California as a pilot. Before when I went to California, I was a visual observer, basically assisting the pilot, making good money, $650 a day, $630 a day, $630 a day, making good money. You know what I'm saying? But that right there just opened my eyes to like, bruh, that bread out here, boy. Like you just setting up batteries. You just setting up batteries. A guy and the pilot on where to go, and I really ain't have to do no guiding because I was partnered with my boy, and he's a very precise pilot. So I'm pretty much getting $630 a day to learn. So when it doubled back, when the tables turned, when I became a pilot, making $750 a day. Then that's utilities. Then that led to me doing inspections, to where I was working for a guy. It was kind of jipping-us, but it's all a learning phase. We was getting $100 a site, and then we ended up getting with another company that was getting $175 a site, and then just staying with it, man. Just staying with it, staying consistent. Now I'm getting $210 or $230 a site, and again, I said before, it's all about efficiency. The more efficient you are, the more money you get, and the more opportunities you get. So I say all that to say, this guy who in this hub right now, he probably just sitting on the computer all day, not enjoying what he do. And it looked like he done been here for some years. No comparison. His benefits probably good, which is always good, but no comparison. But I'd rather take the risk, and doing whatever I want to do that makes me happy, than sitting on a clock, unhappy, just letting the days go by. What would you do? Sit on the clock or take that risk? You only got one life to live, man. I went from making $13.25 an hour at the hospital, $13 doing plumbing, temporary, to shooting videos with Rod, to making $500 a video, to the label paying me crumbs, $2,500 a month. And now look at this, man. I'm making $1,600 a day easy. Then there's $6,000 a week on a light week. If I was doing utilities, I'm making 10 to 12 bands. It's all about keeping your head down and working, man, and not really focus on the past, man. Because look, when you find your way, when you find your passion, you just gotta run with it. It's gonna benefit you in the long run. I'm telling you.